What if, one ordinary morning, the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? At first, it might sound like something from a science fiction movie, but this question has fascinated scientists for decades. Before we begin, remember, this is a hypothetical scenario. The Earth is not expected to suddenly stop spinning, but if it somehow did, the consequences would be unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. Right now, as you're watching this video, you're already moving. At the equator, the Earth's surface is rotating at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most commercial airplanes. Yet because everything around us is moving at the same speed, we never notice it. But what if that motion suddenly disappeared? Imagine the impossible happens. In one instant, the Earth stops, but you don't. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by another force. That means people, cars, buildings, even the air, would all try to keep moving at the speed the Earth has just lost. Near the equator, that speed is about 1,670 kilometers per hour, faster than a passenger jet. Anyone not securely attached to the ground could be thrown forward with unimaginable force. The closer you are to the poles, the smaller the effect becomes. But almost nowhere on Earth would be completely untouched. As terrifying as that sounds, the ground isn't the only thing that matters. The atmosphere has momentum too. If the Earth stopped instantly, the air wouldn't stop at the same time. Instead, massive winds would continue racing around the planet. Scientists estimate these winds could reach extraordinary speeds in this extreme scenario. Entire forests could be flattened. Cities could suffer catastrophic damage. Dust, sand, even debris from buildings could be carried through the air like deadly projectiles. The sky itself would become one giant storm. And believe it or not, this still isn't the worst part. The Earth's rotation doesn't just move the land, it also shapes our oceans. Today, because our planet spins, huge amounts of water are pushed slightly toward the equator. If that spinning suddenly stopped, the oceans would begin to move. Water would slowly redistribute toward the poles under the influence of gravity. During this process, enormous floods and massive waves could devastate many coastal regions. Coastlines that have existed for thousands of years could change dramatically. Some areas might disappear beneath the sea, while others could become dry land. And by now, humanity would already be facing a world completely different from the one we know. If the Earth remained motionless, our planet would never look the same again. Today, Earth's rotation creates a slight bulge around the equator. That's because the spinning planet pushes water outward. Without that rotation, gravity would slowly pull the oceans toward the poles. Over time, coastlines could be transformed. Some regions near the equator might become much drier, while vast new oceans could form closer to the North and South poles. Maps that humanity has used for centuries would become meaningless. The Earth would still be our home, but it would no longer be the world we recognize. But another terrifying problem would soon appear. The Earth might stop spinning, yet it would still continue orbiting the Sun. Without its daily rotation, one side of the planet could face the sun for months, while the other side remained in darkness for just as long. The daylight side would become unbearably hot. Rivers and lakes could dry up. Meanwhile, the night side could become unimaginably cold. Entire ecosystems would struggle to survive. Between these two extremes, only a narrow region might remain suitable for life. Humanity would be forced to adapt or disappear. So, could humanity survive such a catastrophe? Perhaps, but life would never be easy. Future cities might need to be built underground, protected from extreme temperatures and violent weather. Food production would become one of humanity's greatest challenges. Energy, water, and safe shelter would determine who survives. Human beings are remarkably adaptable. We've survived ice ages, volcanoes, and countless natural disasters. But a motionless Earth would be our greatest challenge yet. Fortunately, this is only a thought experiment. There is no scientific evidence that the Earth will suddenly stop spinning, but it reminds us of something extraordinary. Every sunrise, every sunset, every gentle breeze, and every normal day we experience depends on our planet's constant motion. The Earth's rotation is so familiar that we almost never think about it. Yet without it, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. Sometimes, the greatest miracles are the ones happening every single day without us ever noticing. The Earth never truly stands still, and perhaps that's exactly why life is possible. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more science documentaries and space mysteries.